Become your best version and achieve peak performance at work. Attract your dream job, ideal life partner, wealth, or any other important life goal. Wake up every day feeling energized and happy about your life. Make your long-term dreams a reality and live with clarity and purpose. Break free from the low vibration patterns of mind and consciousness and unlock our optimistic and powerful mind. Release past trauma and experience a peaceful state of mind with self-awareness.
If you repeat this every night, you will reprogram your subconscious mind with the vibration of your desires. I'm always at the right place at the right time. I don't chase, I attract.
We all face doubt. So one of the best things we can do is be kind to ourselves.